Reagecon is an innovative, growth-orientated, dynamic, family-owned business. We are based on the Shannon Airport campus in the west of Ireland. We are the largest producer worldwide of chemical standards, physical standards and reagents, all of which are developed, manufactured and distributed from our superbly equipped modern 6,000 square metre facility. The products, of which there are over 5,000, are sold on a global scale in 103 countries on all 5 continents, either from Shannon through our ever-growing network of channel partners or from our office in Shanghai, China. The scope of Reagecon's products is extensive. The portfolio includes the widest range of buffers and care and maintenance solutions available in the marketplace for pH measurement. We also offer standards and ionic strength adjusters for ion selective electrodes, control solutions for redox measurement, and the most comprehensive range of titrants and colour indicators available worldwide. Our scientists were the first in the world to produce low-level conductivity standards, and we are still the only company to offer these standards in an aqueous matrix. Our inorganic standards range includes an immense offering for cation and anion analysis using techniques that include, but are not limited to, ICP mass spec, atomic absorption, flame photometry, and ion chromatography. Our range of physical standards is broad and deep. The refractive index range includes sugar-based brick standards and oil-based refractive index standards. Density standards, depending on the family you select, may be used on vibrational densitometers or Bingham pycnometers and range from just under 0.7 grams per mil right up to over 3 grams per mil with a 4 decimal place accuracy. Osmolality standards are presented in 5 ml glass ampules and cryoscope standards in 250 ml plastic bottles respectively. Reagecon produces an extensive range of organic standards for use on both GC mass spec and HPLC mass spec. These products include VOCs, PAHs, phenols and pesticides. The production of colour standards covering a wide array of colour conventions is a core competence of our company, and this competency extends right into spectrophotometry standards in both cuvette and ready-to-use format. The measurement of total organic carbon is mandatory in many regulated and non-regulated industries, and we produce one of the widest ranges of standards for this technique. Our products are produced under clean room conditions, go down to very low levels, and are available for laboratory and online instruments from a wide range of manufacturers. Our ever-growing industry product portfolio includes products specific for petrochemistry, wine production, environmental monitoring, and food. Typical examples of such products include viscosity standards and reagents and standards for total acid and total base number. Reagecon standards and certified reference materials have a wide range of applications and uses. Whether your testing requirement is in the laboratory, on a process line, in an effluent stream, or in the field, we have a product family that suits your requirements. That requirement may be for tuning standards, calibration standards, or internal standards, or it may be for a surrogate standard, a verification standard, an interference standard, or a spiking standard. It could also be for a compliance or control standard. The products may also be used for method validation, instrument qualification, or as a measure of competence or the level of training of your analysts. The products can also be used in pro-efficiency testing schemes. Reagecon has an extensive contract filling and OEM manufacturing capability and a long track record of producing such products. Our tank farm contains 5 2,000-litre manufacturing vessels. Each vessel employs a proprietary static Venturi mixing head and circulation pump, which ensures complete and thorough mixes of liquids in liquids and solids in liquids, thus avoiding excessive churning or foaming. All formulations are menu-driven using PLC and SCADA control systems. The operator interfaces with the software through a HMI screen and at any time can see the status of all batches and process steps. When the product is manufactured, a sample is removed and taken to our quality control laboratory. Here, a team of scientists perform several hundred analytical tests a week using techniques as diverse as gravimetric analysis, wet chemistry, electrochemistry, chromatography, and FTIR. Reagecon holds a wide range of ISO 17025 accreditations, and the list of accredited methods is growing very rapidly. Once the product is passed in QC, it can then be pumped into a bulk vessel for storage or further processing, or it can be fed directly to our four-head automatic liquid filler. This device can fill at a rate in excess of 800 bottles per hour, depending on bottle size. The bottles are then capped, labelled and boxed automatically. Reagecon specialises in producing products that require customised labels that vary in shape, size or language content. Our competence extends right down to batch sizes of 1 litre or less. Smaller batches may be produced in our Class 10,000 clean room, and these products are then ampuled or bottled. Batches ranging in size from 1 litre to 100 litres may be produced in one of several other manufacturing laboratories. All of the products, irrespective of batch size, are subject to the same rigorous quality control, certification and accreditation where appropriate. When our customers require additional or unusual packaging options, we have special computer-aided prototype manufacturing equipment that can turn around cardboard or carton board packaging in one day. Reagecon has expended very considerable resources on research and development over the last 3 years, and this pattern will continue in order to deliver our 2020 vision. Our speed of product development will now be accelerated, with particular focus on food, petrochemistry, and environmental standards. Product launches coming soon will include flame retardants, PCBs, propanes, hydrocarbons, oxygenates, and a much extended range of pesticides, PAHs, some of which will be deuterated, and semi-volatile organic carbons. These are being presented in 3 new sector-specific online catalogues. Reagecon also runs a thriving distribution business in the Irish market from our Shannon warehouse. Most of the products we distribute are either from our own manufactured range or are sourced from the laboratory logistics group in Germany, of which we are part owners. Our customers range from small laboratories right through to all of the blue chip pharma, medical device and food and beverage companies manufacturing here in Ireland. In many instances, we provide our clients with a full or partial vendor-managed inventory service. Reagecon has grown dramatically over the last 3 years. We expect this pattern to continue, and ultimately the rate of growth, the agility and the innovativeness of our company is due to the alignment between our loyal customers, to which we are indebted, and our excellent, competent and highly motivated team of people. The company is led by a high-caliber leadership team, almost all of which have global multinational backgrounds. The people that they lead are world-class, professional and highly competent, and we as a leadership team are extremely proud of them. We are looking forward, with the help of our team and through the continued goodwill of our customers, to an extremely bright future.